Nick here from tinywoodsstove.com, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Dwarf Model S LITE. Let's get started. So once you get your stove, we recommend that you find your manual. The manual is chock full of all kinds of great information on assembling your stove, installation tips, so check out your manual. It should be on a sleeve on the side of the stove. To open up the stove, you're going to, and put it together, you're going to need some tools. The first thing you're going to need is some scissors, and the scissors are to cut open the straps on the exterior and the interior of the stove to release it. Next, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, or you can do a drill driver, and that's to remove the crate from the base. And then remove the contents inside. So we have the coal bar, we got the air valve, we got a fire mitt, we got the legs, and the flue flange. There's the ash pan, and then you have your tool, and you can throw away the silicone packet. Next, you'll need a 10mm socket, or a crescent wrench will work, and this is to remove the bolts that secure the stove to the base, plus install the legs and some of the air control valves. And the air valve gets mounted on the bottom. So this is the hardware for the air valve. The short one with the washer goes in the front. And you're just going to cinch that down just enough so that it's not flopping around. And then we'll put a nut on the back of that to cinch it down. We still want it loose enough that that moves freely. And then we use the spring one on the back. Just thread that down to give it tension. Next up, we got the feet. Then each one gets a bolt and a washer. You can put them in there loose initially, and then you can put them exactly where you want them and then cinch them down. The bottom of the feet, there is some hardware. This is a leveling bolt. So if this is sitting in some type of structure that's not going to move, you can use this bolt to level the stove so that it doesn't rock. If you're going to put this in a structure that does move, you can remove this bolt, and this is the attachment point so you can bolt it down. Okay, once those are kind of finger tight, then I can get it lined up just how I want it, and then I can cinch them down. Okay, now that we got the air valve on and we got the feet on, we're going to pull out the grate and the baffle just to show you how that works. That can be kind of tricky. It also gives us room that we can bolt on the top flue flange. So we're going to open up the door, remove the bar, and take off the grate. There's the little tab. So we want to lift this right side. We're going to remove the baffle. So we're going to lift it up. I'm going to swing the bottom down, and we're going to rotate it out. Then the flue flange, we're going to place that on top. Underneath. Cinch that down. Okay, that's the top. Put it in like that. Rotate it all the way up, forward, then slide it back. Great. Left side down first. So that concludes our unboxing and assembly of the Dwarf Model S LITE. For more information on the stove, check out our details and specs video. Thanks for watching.